knife sticking out my hand? Probably. I guess like in the fresh cuts.
It's the OBB. Open box.
It's the open box, brothers.
What? Thank you, OBB.
OBB food. What? Alright, take one.
Take one.
Alright.
Take two.
Intro. Point face away from face and other people. What's some guy give it? DJ Cal. Oh my goodness.
What? You gotta dab like a cat?
Stupid dummy. I have the power of God and anime on my side.
Bloopers.
Hey tahini, don't you be a heenie. Gotta get your mom. That was my destiny. Pokemon, my modest friend.
I don't know any.
Little shop of horrors, little shop of horrors. The Monster Mash. Monster Steam.
Well, you're not like They're like pilgrims. I know. Yeah.
Lightful. Thankful.
Yeah, there you go. It's thankful.
Is that all of them?
What is lightful? It's lightful.
Alright, I'm thinking something good out of this. No, drug.
Mighty Sesame.
Sesame.
We did have a pin last time, but it was not. It was jars. I'm pretty sure it was a jars pin. Jars.
No, Jaws.
Jaws.
Jars.
Last time we had a Jaws pin.
Let there be light.
Let there be light. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. It is. Okay. After 20 minutes.
Let's do one of those transitions.
Probably never gonna wear it.
And I get it on.
1,000.
10,000.
1,000.
10,000.
1,000.
100,000. It's coming to you on your screen again. Yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the. Oh wait, no, you gotta go. We said that like 40 times, but hope you enjoy it. Enjoy.
Oh wait, I forgot to tell you something. Enjoy.
Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, comment this, hit that, subscribe to this. Our editor's good. That was like the weirdest outro.